Here we have a 2018 BMW 540i XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the gorgeous blue metallic paintwork. Coming around to the front of the vehicle, you can see the LED headlights, the black kidney grills just there. Here is a look at the second alloy wheel with the M Sport badge just to the right. We also have the blue M Sport calipers just behind. We have colour-coded door mirrors, black trim around the windows, privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have black roof rails along with a shark fin antennae. There's a look at the third alloy wheel. Coming around to the back of the car, you can see we have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the quad tip exhausts, XDRIVE and 540i badging. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Coming over to the fourth alloy wheel just there, let's have a look at the interior. So the back, we have the full leather interior with contrasting white stitching. We also have the foldable armrest just there, fixed ISO points, we have a brushed metal handle, electric windows, and again the leather trim just there. We also have the storage space just there. In the front we have the same leather seats with the contrasting white stitching. However, these front seats are electrically adjustable heated seats. We have the same brushed metal handle. We also have the electric windows with child lock for the rear. We have the electric mirrors, more storage space down there. We have the auto lights. We have a multifunctional steering wheel just there with the digital display. If we take a seat inside of the vehicle, put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the car will start up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights. Moving over into the center console, we have plenty of things on this main infotainment screen, such as sat-nav, media, phone connectivity and DAB radio. However, we will go into a more in-depth video once this vehicle gets a full valet. If you want to know more information, please check out their website. That is all from me today. Thank you for watching.